Thank you. I don't know what we got to do, but we got to have a time. Like, yes, we are. Like,
This is everything.
Oh,
See
yeah.
this? What? Oh my God, I feel so honored to be here. I'm dead ass though. Hey y'all.
What's good?
I'm Tina.
I'm Erica.
We back. And we are at
Britchella.
Britchella. We're about to have a time, guys. It is my friend's 40th birthday. Actually, today it is on a Tuesday, and we are in festival attire.
Hold on, look at the fit.
Okay, check out my fit. Yeah, and we're about to have a good time, and we're gonna get some footage of us here with the fam. Hope you can hear us because we're outside without mics.
Yeah, no mic, sorry.
Love y'all. Be back. All right, y'all. This Britchella. Welcome to Britchella. I'm just going to do a quick walkthrough of all of the things before we really get into the party. But this is like the sit down area because up there's the stage where some live performances will be. Absolutely beautiful, like decorated beautifully. Over there it's like some champagne, free champagne. You get to sign in and also log into like the website, and the itinerary was on there, or agenda. This is where you build your own terrarium. I keep wanting to call it terrarium. Your own terrarium plant station. This is like an interactive adult birthday party. And here's where the band is like setting up. And you kind of like walk through. It was an interactive band. It was a very interactive experience. But walking inside, shout out to the party planner. This is the inside area, like the dance floor. There's a photo booth over there. All these seating area, DJ set up. That's the dance floor area. And y'all will see that later. Y'all will definitely see that later. She also gave these like free water bottles with little gift bags. And this is the bar. It was an open bar. I wish I'd have got a picture of the menu because the menu was great. It was like, you could tell it was very thoughtful, and she thought about her friends and like what everybody liked to drink that was on the menu. Photo area again, seating area again, and just a close-up shot of like those water bottles and gifts that came with like crackers, Advil, liquid IV, all of the things. Like it was so thoughtful. Here's like our food area. She also had a food truck from Boricua Soul. I did not get footage of that. I wish I would have, but I was just so excited, y'all. You know I get in a moment. And then here is the little photo booth. But let's get into this party, y'all. It was a time.
I have a time. And I just want to run through a few things really quickly. Please order food from the food truck because I don't pay for it. I need y'all to order. And
there's so many things I've got to tell you, but I'm afraid I don't know how, because there's a possibility you look at me differently, though. Yeah, you should name anything. Oh, no.
Hey, Jalen! Happy birthday! How you doing? I got another one. So what in there? I just want to take it out of that. Hi guys, it's Tina, Erica, and Anaje here. And of course, we have left the party. There was no kids allowed. Sorry, Anaje. But Brittany sent Anaje all these little gifts, like, because you remember there was like face painting and stuff there, so she has her tattoos and stuff. And she also got a Cold Stone gift card, all this little cute stuff that was from the party. And then this stuff especially, which was for her to build her own, what's it called? Terrarium? I think that's how you say it. Don't judge me. But anyway.
I was calling that planetarium.
Planetarium. Whatever. But yeah.
No, it's terrarium.
It's a terrarium.
Yeah.
So we're going to build a terrarium at home with Anaje so she can feel the vibes. And we're going to play a little music and let you see it. And we hope you like, comment, and subscribe. We had such a fun time at the party. This is also like our outro video. Erica's cooking breakfast. It's family time. It's a regular day. So we decided to vlog to end the party up. And we hope you enjoy. Love you guys. And Najee, did you want to talk? Erica's back there burning stuff up. Did you want to talk about all the stuff you got from Brittany?
So, hi guys. The first thing I got was I got another bracelet. And it was orange. Me and Brittany's favorite color. And I also got like some crackers, and they were like vanilla. They're like a vanilla flavored crackers. And I also got another credit card from Wholesome. The only credit cards I have is food and 2 ice cream credit cards.
That's because they're gift cards, not credit cards.
And gift cards. Yes, they're gift cards.
And what do you want to say to Brittany?
Thanks, Brittany.
It was a good time. Thank you, Brittany. We love you. Also, we have the instructions for the website pulled up on the TV. So we know we need to start with Pebbles because, yes, Brittany had her own website, everything. So we are following the directions on the screen over here while we get to work. All right, kiddo.
Black
So
rock.
first start with Pebbles.
Yeah, the pebbles are open.
Are these the Pebbles?
These are pebbles. All of these are pebbles. Then you can also top it off with more pebbles if you like. Pebbles come in different colors.
Okay, well, what Pebbles do you want at the bottom, baby?
I want these at the bottom.
Okay, let's go. Yeah.
Let's get a little more.
A little bit more. Let's cover that whole bottom. Ooh. Okay, nice. You want more in there? Don't forget, you can do nice layers. You can make it thicker. You want any colored pebbles at the bottom?
I want this.
Where did the charcoal go?
Right here. I'm just gonna drop a little bit.
Okay. Nice. Nice layers. You want to put the charcoal in?
Yeah.
So then it oh, we lost the three. Okay, there it is.
And sprinkle.
Add a sprinkle of charcoal. I feel like that bag is a sprinkle.
They give us salt with it.
Can we just pour all of it?
I mean, I'm thinking like a layer. Like it should be like a, you know, it doesn't say like.
It doesn't say a layer.
I'm thinking about filtration, you know?
Yeah.
I just sprinkle charcoal.
So it's not like we are drinking contaminated water.
Yeah.
Okay. Add a little more in there. With your soil. There you go.
Perfect. And now you can save some if we make another one.
That's what I was going to use the charcoal. I don't know what else to use one. Hot. Wait. I went too far now. My bad. Okay. So, after you sprinkle your charcoal, you layer in your soil.
I also don't have to.
So do you collect over all of that?
We don't have to be. Erica just said she doesn't have to be politically correct. So, hold on. There we go. All right, let's
So
take the soil and plant your succulent. So let's put the soil in.
soil. More soil. A little bit more soil.
Okay. Can y'all even see the plant? No, that's not enough soil, baby.
I go around there.
So you gotta be able to put your plants in the soil.
Yeah, you want a
You
lot.
can use that whole bag probably. All right, hold on. Let's hold on. All right, let's get the planting.
Yeah.
Erica's cooking, so she's gonna watch us and hopefully don't judge us. Do I do it like that?
So are you? What's the one I took out? Is that the one? Which one did I take out?
I have no idea.
I think it
Is
was.
it this one?
So whatever. There you go. You want the root to be in the soil, right? So let's do that. Let's do another one. Which other one?
Let's do this one.
Oh, okay.
Can I put them all in here?
If they'll fit. And if not, then yeah, try it.
The plant looks like it's falling apart.
I don't want to break it.
Can we use this one because that one's a bit small?
Yeah.
There you go.
Hey.
Good job. You're doing so good. Oh, see, it is enough room for the other ones. Okay. Here, you take that one out. I'm gonna work on this one.
Oh, the plant's falling apart, Mama. Look. What's the other right there?
Be really gentle.
There you
I
go.
want to put frogs or something in there. Well, I guess you can
I guess.
do it. Yeah. To make it decorative. Because you want to do moss. I mean, you don't have to. I want to do moss. But just
Well, first we need to put a little
Take
more
up
soil in.
space is all I'm saying.
Okay, let's wait on these two. And I might have another little thing so we can plant some more succulents in it.
I'm sorry, I'm messing up your photo.
We're gonna clean the counter. That's why we're over here out the way. Food goes over there and over there.
Excuse me, this is good.
Yeah, talk to the plants. Nice. Thank you, plant. We love you and we're gonna take care of you.
Wait, don't add too much. I want to add some moss.
Yeah, but we need to put the soil up to here and then we'll add the see, it's still space.
dang.
What?
I forgot I had biscuits in the oven.
Please don't tell me they're burned. If they are burned, then that's good.
Okay, yeah, what's you say? Start with put your succulent. Oh, nice. Show the camera.
Look at our yummy biscuit.
Succulents.
Oh my god.
Top with more pebbles.
Can I put the pebbles on the moss?
Yeah, look, you got frogs you can add in here.
Wait, I don't want to hit them yet. I just want to add a few more of the colors.
I'm gonna move the camera so you guys can see what's going on.
Oh, I dropped one.
Oh, I do have a little glass. Oh, I'm glad I didn't use all the soil.
Ribbit. Ribbit.
You did so good.
Put these here.
Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed us making a terrarium. It's a terrarium, right?
Yeah.
I hope you guys enjoyed us making a terrarium. We love you guys. Again, happy birthday again, Brittany. And shout out and happy birthday to our friend Tiffany. It was a week later. We love her too. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Spread a little love.
You said.
Deuces.